Red wine vinegar is typically used in a variety of recipes, including as a dressing for salads. It is made through the process of fermentation, in which a carbohydrate source is made into alcohol. Then, this alcohol is converted into acetic acid by Acetobacter bacteria, which is what gives vinegar its prominent odor. Specifically, with red wine vinegar, red wine is the liquid being fermented, and then strained, boiled, and aged to reduce the intense flavor. What if we told you that this substance has many other practical uses that you never knew? Check out the nutrients in red wine vinegar, and why you should implement it in your daily intake. The first one, lower blood sugar. The acetic acid is contained in all vinegar, but in this case, red wine vinegar may aid in lowering blood sugar levels. It works by slowing down digestion and expanding your glucose absorption, which is a type of sugar. Thus, you will have lower levels of glucose running through your bloodstream. Many studies have tested this, like drinking 2 tablespoons of vinegar before a carb-based meal or drinking 2 tablespoons before bedtime. Regardless of how the research was found, all shared the same commonality, that red wine vinegar intake correlated with lower blood sugar levels. So if you're someone who suffers from high blood sugar, we recommend drinking red wine vinegar, or even adding it into your food recipes. The second one, help your skin. Red wine vinegar is such a versatile product with nutritional benefits that can help in all areas. Not only does it lower blood sugar, but it also increases the presence of antioxidants that fight against bacterial infections and skin damage. It also contains resveratrol, which can fight skin cancers like melanoma. This product doesn't stop there, but it also can fight skin infections, wounds in chest, ear, and urinary tract infections too. Ultimately, the acetic acid and rich antioxidants present in red wine vinegar may be extremely beneficial for our bodies. The third one, weight loss. Now, this is something that causes our eyes to widen right away. Even for myself, as I'm writing this, my focus shifted completely as I hear the words weight loss. What a society we live in. Anyways, this acetic acid may help with weight loss in a healthier way, which is something we're not used to hearing. So throw away the diet pills and stop starving yourself, because this is a healthy way to support weight loss. Acetic acid reduces fat storage and improves fat burning, and can help with appetite suppression. It also causes foods to stay present in our stomachs for extended periods of time, in turn delaying the release of the hunger hormone ghrelin. Ultimately, this process helps stop the daintiness of overeating, what many of us fall victim to. So, today we are talking about all the reasons you should add red wine vinegar to your diet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.